Meaning of earwax.
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 Earwax. Earwax, also known as cerumen, is a waxy substance secreted in the ear canal to protect and lubricate the ear. It is made up of a combination of dead skin cells, hair, sweat, and oil. The wax helps to prevent dust, dirt, and bacteria from entering the ear, and also acts as a natural barrier against water and insects. If too much earwax builds up, it can cause hearing problems or even infections. Regular cleaning with a damp cloth or cotton swab is recommended to maintain healthy ear hygiene.